yellow fin there. Oh, he's gone. It was a pretty graceful release. Plastic bag. Wow. Gotta love this. First thing in the morning. Fucking plastic bag sitting on the fucking estuary. That is low today. Wow. Woo, very low. Don't want to hold anyone up. Oh, I'll clean that off when I get out there. So yeah, I'm hoping to catch something for dinner tonight. Fuck, I'm tempted to just get out and walk it, eh? I'll walk it to the edge, I think. Because it is shallow as fuck, bro. Yeah, that's how shallow it is. Just gonna walk it. Fucking hate seaweed though, eh? Pretty bloody shallow. Not lying, bro. It's shallow. Fuck that. There's a bit of a fucking. There's a little bit of a current pushed me down towards the back end of the estuary there. Fuck this seat. I'm coming up with an idea to make my own seat. I'm sick of this thing. So Thursday when I was down here with Shane and Jet, oh, now I'm fucking finding a line in there too. I was literally probably about 2-3 metres past those last two markers out there, which you can't see. Might just move the camera up in a sec. Yeah, I'll just move it up a little bit. You can't really see shit. Woo. Let's get going. Not far. Oh shit! Fuck Jesus, bro. Not far off. We're only about 200 metres out from it. Here we go. Got a bit of weight from the boat coming. I'm getting a bit wet. Oh. Alright. I don't know how I'm going to go with the bigger lure. The little lure seems to get quite a few hits. Alright, we're about to hit into that deeper water. What I'm going to do, oh, here comes the wake. I'm just going to park up here for a sec. I didn't bring my anchor today because I'm trawling. I'm hopefully, well, I'm not going to be out here for very long anyways. Alright. I've got this big lure here on. Let's see what I can get. I actually got a salmon in here, juvenile salmon, on Thursday, which was pretty cool. It was my first salmon. I'm not a very good fisherman, as you'll quickly realise, but you've got to get out there and try it, eh? Just gonna gel this bad boy up a little bit. Yeah, in there, get him some. So I found this stuff actually, believe it or not, actually I find that it actually works, but I might just trawl with this big one first and then I'll chuck that little one. I'll see how I'm going. I might not have a great deal of luck, but I can only try. See where we go with this bigger one. Might get us something a bit bigger, might not. Can always swap over to the smaller lure. That's why I brought my other rod. It'll be interesting to see how long it takes to get a hit. if I get a hit at all. It's a bit of a shallow diver lure that I've got on there at the moment, so it's only just going under the surface. What I've been doing is I give it a nice heave on that side, just to get it to, when you paddle it's going like that and then down. That's why I give it a bit of a heave on that side. Try my luck. If I'm having no luck with it in the first couple of passes, I'll go and chuck another lure on. Oh, here we go, got one. Oh, no, it was a hit. No, we got one. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Hit it pretty hard. Oh, feels like it's only a little one. Little one on a big lure. Oh shit, he's going around behind me. Here we go. Oh, what have we got? Come here, little bloke. Here we go. What have we got? Little Tailor. Yeah, little Tailor. Took the big lure though. Took the big one. Oh, we got him good too. Got him in 2 spots. Just try and clean that lens up a little bit, but oh, stop kicking, brother. I'm trying to help you. I'm gonna chuck my glove on. Oh, this bad boy still. While I get these hooks out. Oh, what got him good through the back, eh? Stop kicking, brother. All right, got him through the eyeball. There he is, anyways. So I might have to cut it short because I'm gonna have to fucking help him out a bit here. Now I'm hooked. Get this one out. There we go. I got that one out, brother. Let's get this one out of your eyeball. Sorry, man. That fucking looks like it hurts. There we go. Just hold him there for a sec. Get him. There you go. Nice little Tailor. Sorry, can't see his head, but yeah, he's only a little one. But we caught a fish. We caught it on camera for a change. And he took the big bloody lure too. I was surprised that he took that. That's a big lure. So we'll give it another toss out. This is where I caught the last lot, in through this little channel here. So you catch them out through this channel here, and that's where I've had most of my luck. I was thinking the bigger bait. I thought maybe a bigger one might have a chomp on him. Fuck, I'm just going to leave that glove on. And there you go. Oh, look at this. This lens is fucking horrible. Anyways, there you go. I said I'd let you know if I caught something else, and I did. So you probably get it all on audio. The camera died, like it always does, just before you catch another fish. Ow. Always dies. Anyways, we'll see how we go. We'll just have a bit more of a paddle down through here. I literally got it in between the markers as I was coming back in, so we'll have a look and see how we go. Pretty sure it's a little baby salmon. It's not too bad. Probably be about 25 centimeters maybe. About that. But anyways, there's his little yellow fin there. Oh, he's gone. Oh, it was a pretty graceful release. So anyways guys, there you go. That was my first fishing video. Hope you enjoyed it. So I didn't catch much. And yeah, hopefully next time I have a bit more luck. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you like it down in the comments below, and give it a like if you liked it. If not, you know what to do. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Laz. Catch you next time. Cheers.